All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but the compressor is like the heart that pumps refrigerant and gets the whole refrigeration cycle moving. So, the compressor's job is to squeeze that refrigerant gas, making it hot and high pressure. Then it sends it to the condenser where it cools down and turns into a liquid. After that, the liquid refrigerant heads to the expansion valve or capillary tube, which lowers its pressure and cools it even more. Then it flows through the evaporator coil inside your house, absorbing heat from the air and turning back into gas. This gas goes back to the compressor to start all over again. To keep your AC running smooth, make sure your filters are clean so airflow isn't blocked and your evaporator coil stays dust-free. Also, check refrigerant levels because too low or too high can mess with the compressor's job. Don't forget to schedule regular maintenance with a pro to catch any issues early before they turn into costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their air conditioning system is ignoring low refrigerant levels, which puts extra strain on the compressor and can cause it to fail early. Getting a professional to check and recharge the refrigerant fixes this. Another common problem is neglecting dirty air filters or clogged evaporator coils. These reduce airflow and force the compressor to work harder, so cleaning or replacing filters regularly helps avoid this issue. The third thing is not addressing strange noises or leaks quickly enough. Those are warning signs your compressor or other parts might be breaking down, so calling a trusted technician right away prevents bigger headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to air conditioning repairs or installations. Plus, if you're a contractor trying to get work, it helps connect you with folks who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.